today. Now, as you rightly pointed out, this stock has fallen more than 20% this year for reasons well known. There was a big demand shift that took place to 87 premium auto bulbs in the last 12 months, and Phoenix Lamps, which is a subsidiary of Suprajit Engineering, had really not invested in these 87 bulbs at all. In fact, by the time they imported the machinery, there was unavailability there. All of that took a long time, and this led to a loss of a few business opportunities. However, now the company has indicated to analysts that the issues facing the lamps business has completely been resolved. The utilization of the business has ramped up quite a bit actually. It ended at 40% last year. More importantly, the company is making big strides in the auto cable exports business. Remember, it's a market leader in the auto cable market, but they expect revenues to double in exports over the next 3 years. That is by the time we get to FY21, with new orders coming in from a lot of European auto manufacturers, whether it's Volkswagen, BMW, Daimler, or even Ford. Not just that, for people who track this company closely, they would know that this company has a strong financial background. Its revenues have more than doubled in the last 4 years. In fact, in FY18 itself, the revenues of the company went up about 20%, profits went up 40%, and balance sheet has also been pretty healthy. Debt has fallen in this year. More importantly, the management is very optimistic about the business going ahead, due to which they've gone ahead and announced a big 100 crore expansion plan to increase their capacity from 250 million cables to over 300 million cables in 2 years. Now, let's tell you what brokerages have made. Most brokerages are bullish. However, there are some naysayers who feel that the room for upside is limited. Edelweiss has a buy with a target price of 340. Axis Cap has a buy with a target price of 334, while HDFC Securities has a neutral on the stock with a target price of 296. We've tried to do a valuation analysis as well. You can't really compare it with the others because they make different products, but nevertheless, Suprajit is the cheapest amongst its peers if you do a price to earning comparison. It trades at 16.5 times, while the likes of Jamna Auto, Subros, Exide are all trading at anywhere between 17 to 19 odd times. That's Exide at 19.5. Now, what Suprajit Engineering has as a company is all the major ingredients for success, whether it's a pedigree management, solid corporate governance. The stock has compounded more than 20% over the last decade with an ROCE of 25%. However, I must mention that this is not a stock recommendation. All we are doing is stating facts. Back to you.
All right.